Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to schedule emails in Grigora Mail. Scheduling allows you to write emails now and have them sent automatically at a later time. First, log in to your Grigora Mail account. Once logged in, click on the Compose button in the left sidebar to start a new email. Fill in your email details as usual. Enter the recipient's address in the To field. Add your subject line and email body. Once your email is ready, click the small arrow next to the Send button. Here, you can choose from quick preset times or select Pick Date and Time to choose a specific slot. Select your required date and time, then click Schedule Send. Your email is now queued. To view or manage this email later, go to the Scheduled tab in the left sidebar. Click on the scheduled email to open it. Here, you have options to cancel send if you want to stop it, or edit message. If you click Edit Message, you can modify the email content or even update the scheduled date and time. And that's how you schedule and manage emails in Grigora Mail. See you in the next one!